Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing the ultimate exhaust upgrade. We're gonna be showing you the lightest exhaust for the Toyota Supra, and here we have it. Turndown. Alright, this is the ETS turndown. Comes with the clamp and some instructions, and also stickers. Some more horsepower with these stickers. So we'll be putting this bad boy on the Supra, and then we'll be doing our quest to get the car into the 9 seconds before we look at installing additional upgrades. Hope you'll enjoy. Today we're unboxing and installing the ETS Turndown. Special thanks to ETS for providing this awesome product. Let's dive right in. First things first, get your car lifted. You can use jacks, ramps, jack stands, or if you have access to a lift, that works great too. Just make sure you turn off the alarm before starting, or else, as I learned the hard way, it'll go off like it did on my car. Now we proceeded to remove the exhaust. Start by loosening the clamp that holds the downpipe in place, and then remove the nut securing the front of the exhaust. There's a center floor brace blocking the exhaust from dropping, so that needs to come off as well. To remove this, you'll first need to take off a couple shields. Once the shields and the center floor brace are removed, you'll see an exhaust support near the differential of the passenger side. Take that off too. Next, there are 2 muffler supports held by 4 bolts. It's a good idea to support the muffler while removing these bolts. Once those are out, you can drop the exhaust and get it out of the way. We decided to remove the downpipe for comparison purposes, but this step isn't necessary for the Turndown install. Here you can see a comparison between the stock exhaust setup and the new catalyst downpipe with Turndown. You'll also see the center floor brace that we had to remove during the process. Installing the Turndown was pretty simple. It involved just a clamp and a nut to secure the support, and then we're ready to go. Once everything was in place, we fired up the car and checked for any exhaust leaks between the downpipe and Turndown. Take a listen to how it sounds. After driving with the Turndown installed, the verdict is that it's definitely loud and drones, but it's the perfect setup for track use, which is exactly what we wanted. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates and exciting developments on our shop Supra.